today's video, I'll show you how to automate Calendly workflows. A workflow is just Calendly doing something for you automatically around a meeting. Sending a reminder the day before, a thank you afterwards, a text when somebody cancels. You set it up once and then forget it exists. Worth saying up front, this one lives on the paid plans, not the free tier. Let's jump in. Click Workflows in the left-hand menu. Now, you can build one from scratch, but there's rarely a reason to. Calendly hands you templates for the things people actually want. An email reminder to the invitee, a text when somebody cancels, a thank you note afterwards. I'll take the email reminder, because cutting no-shows is what brings most people here in the first place. And this is the builder. It's really only 3 questions. What's it called? What does it apply to? And what should it do? The name's filled in for me already, that'll do. When this happens 24 hours before the event starts, and do this. Send an email to the invitee. Both set for me because I picked a template. But look at the box in the middle. Which event types will this apply to? It's empty. This is the one that catches people out, and it's the only thing on this page you genuinely have to fill in yourself. Leave it blank and your workflow still saves, still sits in the list looking finished, and does absolutely nothing, because it isn't attached to anything. So go ahead and open it up. I'll click Select All to cover both of my event types, then Apply. Now go ahead and save. And there it is in the list. The name, what it applies to, when it fires, and what it does. 24 hours before anyone books a slot with me, they get a reminder, and I never touch it again. So that's it. Workflows. Pick a template, attach it to your event types, save. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.